वो भी आ रहा है कि आई वॉज प्रमोटेड, अभी मुझे वो काम नहीं करना है, मुझे कम काम करना है, वो काम अभी लोअर ग्रेड में है, एंड मेरे पास ये सोल्यूशन हमने बनाए हैं कि कैसे उनको डिमोट नहीं करना बट रीफिट करना है। जब वो नेक्स्ट डेकेड में ऊपर आने लगे तो डेटा मेरे पास होना चाहिए कि उसमें कैपेबिलिटी क्या है। This is a different kind of a gig working, flexible working that world should think about. But we will not deviate from the offer ghosting. Mr. Kejriwal, you had a suggestion.
Two quick ones. One is, it's very classic. It's called the funneling. So when candidates apply, everybody's applying. We give them very intensive tests, assignments. The assignment funnel takes away 90% of the uninterested. So drill them, grill them, tell them if you don't do this assignment. We've now begun to do 3 levels, which would typically take 48 to 72 hours. We put a disclaimer, everything you do on this assignment is yours. We can sign an NDA with you. We won't pay you, but we won't use you. The other one, which is quite a funny hack, ma'am mentioned startup. So when engineering and team leads join, we can't afford them to not join us. It's too expensive a loss. So there's a hack. What we do is we tell them we're going to ship your laptop and your mobile phones to you. Give us your address. अभी तक इतने बेइज्जती नहीं हुई है लोगों की, they will accept the device without intention to join. So we say, we're sending you a MacBook, we're sending you an Android, an iTunes phone, send us your address. And instantly they say, hold on. And that's the end of the funnel.
And one more thing has started happening in West and in India now, that abhi offer mein aap salary nahi bata rahe. You know, CTC
You're basically tagging the GPS to them.
Thank you.
Good one. And so any last 1 or 2 words? Otherwise, we just summarize that offer ghosting is here to stay. There are lots of strategies which have been applied but not yet applied. From you, Asim.
Yeah, so for me, the real question is this an issue? Huh? I'm coming from a CEO angle. So I have seen a lot of technology-driven solutions coming to me in every field, whether it is freight cost reduction, material cost reduction, talent acquisition, TAT reduction, all that, driven by technology. But when I deep dive into that, and finally for a CEO, what is important कि मेरा bottom line क्या है, हाँ? वो मेरे से कुछ उससे फायदा हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. Rest all is secondary. When I do an evaluation of many of these solutions, and I get almost one such solution from some startups every day, and we do deep dive, what we find, the people who have developed this technology, they have not gone in depth to realize whether there is a problem or not. So for me, ghosting is a real problem or not is the first question. So I don't know, so we can discuss and debate about that, but to all the HR people, I think it may be a problem for you, but whether it is a problem for company is something that we have to look into.
Absolutely fantastic thought process and fantastic tip for HR to look at it. What are we talking about? What are actually we are worried about? Are we looking from within to promote people to the positions which are empty, or only we are looking outside? And that happens quite a lot. Yes, please.
Treat the candidates or this thing like a retail consumer. So there's so much of offering. It's like I give so many choices. So as a candidate, I have a choice to either accept or reject, or I have money. So I think it's also a question of mindset. Starts from schooling, college, and then engaging at organizations.
Absolutely.
I don't have a mic. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So what I'm trying to tell is the mindset. None of you spoke on the mindset aspect. The mind being a trigger. In the last 6-7 years, you see a lot of this words, fancy words like ghosting. Offer drops always used to take place. And like Dr. Ritu said, she worked in one job and we were happy with that certain choices we make. Now, I think it's a lot of consumerism kind of way. Many of our HR folks also deal with. It's like a retail, there are list of choices. available to a candidate. So there is obviously going to be a choice made by the candidate either to join A or B. So I think it's also important to work at the level of mindset. Many companies have experimented, like Alok spoke about how they engage with different